Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Every couple has a story. And for today's video, as you can see that we have a new antenna. This is a parabolic antenna
with 60 dB gain.
60 dB gain. So we bought a new one. We're gonna check if our internet speed here will be more faster.
That's tight.
So the old one is almost worn out, so it's not function well. So Virgil is helping with his daddy.
Listen, man.
Huh?
So we just got it today. So hopefully we have a good luck on this one.
They're pulling my wrench.
So they're gonna put all the screws.
Wait.
So Virgil learned a lot today.
Let's get tight.
Boy, I like these tools.
Yeah. So we bought this new tool set here, as you can see.
That?
This is a good one. There's a lots of you can choose, and look at that, how nice it is. So we bought this one in online, and my husband is enjoying on this because it makes things do work so quick because of have tools that you can use.
That's gonna be fun.
No. Ito na dan. Abay. Nana sa Terwina.
Here, I need.
Yes, ako sang palihog na kog ingon day nga pila akong bulang niya. Daan ba?
I'll use my scissor.
So they gonna put the wire. What is that? The cable.
You need this wrench.
So I'm just trying to do video while they're installing with it, and hopefully it works good in here because the last parabolic antenna we got, it works good.
Oh yeah.
It's been 7 years we used that, the old one.
Yeah, 7 years.
How about this one?
It's brand new.
And this one here is brand new.
2025 made.
So we're thinking if this is works good, we're not getting the Starlink. If it's turns good on this one,
Hopefully it's 100 speed.
100 speed.
The other one was until it developed a problem. Remember that? It had 100 speed.
Yeah, before.
Because our last parabolic antenna,
So fast before, right?
it's been 7 years, and there's a big typhoon hitting on it, that Odette. So maybe that's what it caused. That's why it's not really strong right now. So hopefully this one will be more stronger, right, Daddy, and more faster signal.
Hopefully it looks like a better quality than the other one.
Looks like it. Looks is better quality.
Yeah, the other one's good.
It's only just takes 5 days, babe, since you ordered this. 4 days? Yeah, it takes only 4 days since my husband ordered this one.
I was surprised. I thought it'd be tomorrow because of J&D.
Yeah, we thought it'd be arrived tomorrow, but it arrived quicker as we expected. Weather check. Cloudy. Dark clouds on that side there. This one over here is it's cloudy also. So maybe we have some rain later. Maybe it will be rain later. That's our cat there, John Boy. And the other one is Sophie. So we have a lots of chicks now here in our brooding box. It hatched yesterday, so we have 5 here now. So we still have a lot of eggs on this incubator. It's not been hatching yet. So let's check in the other incubator on this side here. And look at that. There's more egg here, but they're not hatched yet. And there's a hole in there, as you can see. It's about to hatch. 3 more holes. So maybe by later it will be hatched. So hopefully we have a lots of eggs that will be hatched this time. So we have already 5 chicks in the brooding box. Hopefully we have more soon. Hi Sophie! Sophie have a new baby. She put it in the other side in the house. And this is Chinboy. We called it Chinboy, but she's female. She also have a baby. A new baby. Hi Chinboy. So we're almost this is assembled already, Virgil.
Yeah, Daddy gonna test it.
Daddy gonna check.
Maybe it's 500.
Huh?
What if it's 500?
500.
No more Starlink?
No more Starlink if it's 500.
If we was to accidentally get 5G, that would be possible.
Huh?
I said if we was to get 5G signal,
No more Starlink?
then no, wouldn't need-
Virgil is expecting high speed on this one, in this parabolic antenna. What you think, Virgil, is the speed on this one?
Like 50?
50?
Yeah.
Not 100?
That will possible, but I don't think so here.
So we're gonna check it out later. What will gonna be happen to this parabolic antenna here? If it turns good or bad. Hopefully turns
You're not
good.
gonna buy Starlink?
Turns.
It's anywhere being in-
Is it bad or maybe it work
Hmm?
good?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. We're not
Like 20.
20%.
Yeah.
So Willie is at the top right now.
Need to go to the end?
Where are you gonna
Right here
to
for
get the old parabolic antenna? So we're gonna replace the new
now.
one.
These cables up.
So we're gonna take it out and bring it down. So that's over there at the top of our water tank. We put some metal pipe on there. Huh?
Keep going. Slowly, slowly. Give me time to get it rolled out. Keep going a little bit at a time.
So this is a long cable, right, Daddy?
By the time we go all the way at the top there and have to go out there where...
How many meters is that?
This is 25.
25 meters. Virgil is over in the other
The other
side.
one was just 20 meters. That's why I had some problems.
Yeah, the other one we only have 20 meters.
And it's stretched it to the limit, and that's the reason I ended up broken cable.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait, Virgil.
Okay.
You want me to do it? Trying to.
Yeah, keep going. Just hold it now. That's good right there.
Nana sila, Day? Kinasal?
Pull on it just a little bit.
May ka ni-add to dito. Oh.
Okay, just lay it down.
So lay it down, Virgil.
Come get the other one.
He needs to get the other one.
I'll get the other end.
So we're excited.
Wait, man. Reach it.
What's the
You knot it all up.
result on this parabolic antenna?
Let it get it started here. But if you don't do it correctly, you get it all knotted up and it's hard to get straightened out. Okay, slowly go. Wait a minute now. You got an issue here. Wait.
Ayok kay ko ani ron.
Mugat ka na.
Okay.
Just tell
Akong
me
kwaon,
stop.
day.
Go slowly.
So that's the, you're gonna take it down.
Slowly. Get it out here without knotting up.
So this is the old one. It's not really looks bad, but it loosens the strength, right, Daddy? It's not really as strong as before. It's weak.
Wait a minute before you take it off.
When-
Tell me, let's see which one's the biggest.
Asa ipa-check ko nun niya asay kuan dako kaniba or katong usa. Ito sa terrace. You need to bring it here.
Yeah.
Kaunsa man siya pabulkit? Ah. We gonna check what is
Stretch it
bigger, if this old one or the other, the new one.
a little bit.
Or pareha raman sila size.
A little bit. There you go. Pull. Yeah. Okay.
Hapit mo 5,449. Ha? Look, baby. Ay, it's better. It's longer. This is long. This one over here is more longer
It's
than
entirely different.
other one is short.
I need my tools.
Okay, we'll get your tools.
Yeah, they're on the wash machine.
Dahil ano to niyang green katong sudanan?
They're on the wash machine. And get the bracket.
Dahil ano to?
Bitangnya ko silang kaniyat dan.
Oh. So how is it? The internet, the new parabolic antenna that we bought.
It's working.
Huh?
It's working, but it's slow on my TV right now.
So we already put the new parabolic antenna and it works good. So hopefully it will continue like that. And I was hoping to have more faster signal. So we just need to be checked in a few days what will be happen. So
See how it works out.
how it works out. So I'm gonna do an update again for a few more days. What if our the new parabolic antenna that we bought, it will be works good, because right now it's fast, but my husband wants more faster, more signal. Run out.
My inverter kicked off.
Oh, it's okay now. So our inverter kick off. I thought it's run out here. I thought it will be rain today, but looks like it's no rain. As you can see, it clear up some that side and over there. Beautiful day here in the Philippines. So I think that's all for today, guys. So I'm gonna do more update of our new parabolic antenna in a couple of days. What would be the result after we test in a few days. So wish wish us luck, good luck on our new parabolic antenna. Thank you so much again for watching my video and for supporting my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much guys for the love and support. And see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.